Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study chemistry like a topper. Start by truly understanding the core concepts, not just memorizing. Connect new information to what you already know, building a strong foundation. Utilize visual aids such as diagrams and molecular models to clarify complex ideas. This approach ensures a deeper comprehension, making advanced topics much easier to grasp and retain effectively. Consistent practice is crucial for chemistry success. Dedicate time to solving a diverse range of problems, from basic to challenging. Always review your incorrect answers to pinpoint where you went wrong and learn from those errors. Additionally, work through all textbook examples step by step. This reinforces understanding and builds confidence in applying concepts to new situations. Toppers use active recall to solidify their knowledge. Instead of passively rereading, test yourself by recalling information from memory. Flashcards are excellent for mastering key terms, chemical formulas, and reaction mechanisms. Make sure to schedule regular review sessions for previously covered topics. This consistent reinforcement prevents knowledge decay and keeps your understanding sharp for exams. Develop effective study habits to maximize your learning potential. Consider forming a study group to discuss difficult concepts and explain them to each other. Leverage online resources and video tutorials for alternative explanations and practice. Most importantly, maintain a consistent study schedule, dedicating specific times each day or week to chemistry. This structured approach leads to sustained progress and top performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.